Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and sorry last day I was busy, then I can't upload any video or data, so I'm here. And today I have African t-shirt mock-up set. These files in PSD for Photoshop. Here is 10 PSD and displacement maps. Depend your own choice, or you can adjust your own photo. Just drag there. And first I drag this file to Photoshop, and sorry, I want to show you these files property. Click here and you see 1.09 GB. so no, don't worry, I will compress it for you in MBs, some MBs. Okay, so and drag this file to Photoshop, and you see here shadow of your logo. Here is light and shadow. Okay, replace your logo, you see, and here is her t-shirt color. Click, and then you can change it. For example, blood color. I think this color is better. Okay, and here is background. You can't change it, you see, just a displacement map here. Amazing. Okay, so double click here and create new layer, remove it, and write anything or import your logo. So I write here my channel name or my name, Sheri, and Control S. Could not update small objective property, but our design is here, so okay, enter. You see there, dress on her t-shirt. Okay, so simply you can edit everything. Okay, now, and here is second, try this. Same here, you can change her dress color, or you can change logo. Basically you can import your design or logo. For example, I import this girls, and 1 minute. Okay, resolution going to 500, like a logo here, and Control S, you see there, and you can import your text, SK, Control S. Okay, and here Control S. So simply you can adjust anywhere your logo or your text, and you can change color. Amazing. And my last photo is here. Sorry, last PSD. You see, simply you can change her dress color, or you see the shadow and mirror. Amazing effect. Wow. Great. And import your logo here. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.